From the very beginning of it all, when time was set in motion, when the earth was formed from nothing, when the oceans began to roar and cover the earth, I was there.
In the heart of Monroe, they set the bar and built it with their bare hands. 12 handcrafted beers and over 20 chefs, creating an exquisite culinary adventure with every bite made from scratch.
A new season is upon us. The fog is lifting on the battlefield and our watch is at an end. Today, preparation becomes action.
Think of the last time you actually looked forward to going to the doctor. Keep thinking. Nothing there. We're working to change that.
Thomas here, you know, founding father. Anywho. Let's talk freedom. Account access from anywhere. Jefferson Bank. There's more.